Hello guys, today we are going to study Science Class 9 Chapter 11 Work and Energy. The unit of work is Joule. Who else is the same unit? Energy. The unit of energy is also Joule. When a spring is both A and B pulled and compressed, then it has maximum energy. During the motion of a pendulum of the clock, it acquires which type of energy? Mechanical energy. What can be said about the motion of an object when the force acting on the object is negative? Motion of the object is in opposite to the direction of force. Why does the energy of a substance change its state of energy? The energy of a substance changes due to changes occur in place or arrangement of the force exerts on it. What is called the weight of the object? The gravitational force exerted on the center of the mass of the object is called its weight. Why is the value of gravitational potential energy taken as zero on the surface of the earth? The absolute value of potential energy is not important, but its changes are important. Horsepower is a unit of which physical unit? Power. Kilowatt hour is a unit of which physical unit? Work. 1 unit is equals to how much work? 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. The product of power and time signifies which physical unit? Work. Give two types of potential energy: gravitational potential energy and sustainable potential energy. Define relation between work and energy. Work and energy are in symmetry of each other. Give two examples of kinetic energy happens in daily life. Wind, rotating wheel, flow in the river. Define 1 joule of work. When 1 Newton force applied on an object and 1 meter displacement takes place, then it is said that 1 joule work is done. What is the kinetic energy of an object? Objects in motion possesses energy is called kinetic energy. Its symbol is K or Ek or Ke. And another answer is the kinetic energy is equal to half the value of the product of the square of the force and displacement or mass and velocity. What is power? Power is the rate of performing work or the rate of conversion of energy. P is equals to work upon time. Define 1 watt of power. When 1 joule work is done in 1 second, then it is said that power will be 1 watt power. Define average power. Average power is the ratio of total energy consumed and the total time it takes for it. What are the various energy transformations that occur when you are riding a bicycle? Muscle energy transform into mechanical energy. If you stand carrying weight on your head, then work done will be zero. If displacement takes place in opposite direction of the force, then work done will be negative. 1 Newton meter is equals to 10 raised to 7 times centimeter. The work done by the motion of geostationary satellites orbiting in a certain circular position is zero. Kilowatt hour is a physical unit of work. 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. The half value of the ratio of object's mass and velocity is called kinetic energy. True or false questions you are writing while sitting. Scientifically, work is done. False, work is not done. If you push the wall with 10 Newton force, then it is said work is done. False, wall does not move, hence work done is zero. If work done by an object, energy decreased. True. Speed increases and decreases with object's kinetic energy. True. The kinetic energy increases going away from Earth's surface. False, it decreases. Kinetic energy remains constant for the system. It is a law of conservation of energy. False, mechanical energy remains constant. If law of conservation of energy remains true in the presence of frictional force or barrier force, false, remains true in absence of frictional force or barrier force. A donkey carries weight and moves horizontally, then it is said that work is done. False, work is not done. If heavy and light objects have same acceleration, they also have same kinetic energy. False. Have different kinetic energy. Rate of change in kinetic energy of particle is equal to work of resulting force. False. The rate of change in kinetic energy of particle is equal to its power. Work done by centrifugal force is zero. True. Work done by an object does not depend on type of force. False. It depends on the type of force.